Welcome to Easy English with us. Learn simple English for daily life step by step. Hello and welcome to my channel, Easy English with us. Today we're going to listen to a school conversation. Are you ready? Let's go! Dialogue at school. Good morning, John. How are you today? Good morning, John. How are you today?
Good morning, Emily. I'm fine, thanks. And you? Good morning, Emily. I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm good too. Are you ready for school? I'm good too. Are you ready for school?
Yes, I am. What class do we have first? Yes, I am. What class do we have first?
I think we have math. Do you like math? I think we have math. Do you like math?
Math is difficult for me. Math is difficult for me.
Don't worry, I can help you. Don't worry, I can help you.
Thank you, Emily. You are a good friend. Thank you, Emily. You are a good friend.
You're welcome. After math, we have English, right? You're welcome. After math, we have English, right?
Yes, English is my favorite subject. Yes, English is my favorite subject.
Mine too. Mr. Brown is very kind. Mine too. Mr. Brown is very kind.
Do you have your English book with you? Do you have your English book with you?
Yes, I have my book, my notebook, and 2 pens. Yes, I have my book, my notebook, and 2 pens.
Great. I only have one pen. Can you lend me a pen? Great. I only have one pen. Can you lend me a pen?
Of course, here you are. Of course, here you are.
Thank you. Do you also have your homework? Thank you. Do you also have your homework?
Oh, I forgot my homework at home. Oh, I forgot my homework at home.
Really? Be careful, Emily. Mr. Brown always checks homework. Really? Be careful, Emily. Mr. Brown always checks homework.
I know. I'll tell him the truth. I know. I'll tell him the truth.
That's a good idea. Honesty is important. That's a good idea. Honesty is important.
After English, do we have science? After English, do we have science?
Yes, we have science, and then we have art. Yes, we have science, and then we have art.
Oh, I love art. I like drawing and painting. Oh, I love art. I like drawing and painting.
Me too. Art is fun. Do you have your colors? Me too. Art is fun. Do you have your colors?
Yes, I have crayons and pencils. Yes, I have crayons and pencils.
Perfect. After art, it's lunchtime. Are you hungry? Perfect. After art, it's lunchtime. Are you hungry?
A little bit. What do you have for lunch? A little bit. What do you have for lunch?
I have a sandwich and an apple. I have a sandwich and an apple.
Nice! I have some rice and chicken. Nice! I have some rice and chicken.
Great. We can sit together at lunch. Great. We can sit together at lunch.
Sure, that will be fun. Sure, that will be fun.
Okay, let's go to class now. Okay, let's go to class now.
Yes, let's go together. Yes, let's go together. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, activate the bell, and give it a like if you enjoyed the video. See you soon!